Alright, today's a nice Saturday for a Morris engine update. Haven't been able to do a lot of work on this engine. You know, during the week I don't feel like doing anything after work, so weekends are usually when I can work on it. See, I got the oil pan off, I got the flywheel off, the camshaft is out, the timing chain is off, water pump. It's pretty much torn down for the most part, except for the crankshaft, and I haven't taken the oil pickup off yet. So, to get a closer look. Seems like a pretty well built crankshaft. Get over from this angle. There. It's better. Turn it over. Let's see. Let me get a magnet so I can see if those rods are aluminum or iron. Hold on. Here's the oil pan. Just took that off today. Here we got. The head's all done. Valves are done. Distributor's getting cleaned up now. Here's the timing gears, camshaft gear, and the crankshaft gear. Timing chain. Here's the camshaft. Let's see if I can find a magnet. Here's one. There we go. Mighty Mag. Let's see. Crankshaft's definitely iron. It looks like we got iron rods too. Yep, iron rods. Aluminum pistons, I assume. I'm just assuming. Let's see if I can get a magnet down there and see what the pistons are. Yeah, it feels like aluminum pistons. You know, that doesn't surprise me. It's got 3 main crankshaft bearings in the center and one on the end. Like I said, it's a pretty well built engine. The crankshaft definitely looks like they didn't skip too much. It's kind of thin around the crank journal area, you know, going up here, but it looks just fine, you know. For an English built engine. See the camshaft bearing there. Not too bad. See straight through. The oil pump is way down on the end there, driven off the camshaft. So this week I'll be, or probably today or tomorrow, I'll get the crankshaft out and the pistons and the connecting rods, and I found a guy not too far from me who has a real heavy duty parts washer. I'll take the block in, have the block all done. See that green paint under there. Have the crankshaft done and everything, the connecting rods. Oil pan I'll clean myself, but other major parts like the crank timing gear and the camshaft timing gear, I'll have them all done. There's the oil pump right there under that cover there. That needs to be cleaned yet. So see some of that sludge down there in the oil pan. And here's the little bit of oil I drained out of it. I just thought I'd show you. Got out in the sun. See the water in there? Nice. Huh. But it didn't rust or anything. Not badly, at least. Here's my new distributor cap. Got that from Napa. New rotor. Brand new set of points. Here's the old set of points right here. It's got the weights in the distributor to advance the timing, or to retard the timing when you're starting it in advance. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think that's how it works. Retard when you're starting, and once you get it running, it'll advance the spark. Carburetor's still in pieces. I don't really like this carburetor too much. I think if this carburetor is too much of a pain, I'd like to find a nice Zenith carburetor, like a Wisconsin THD uses, or the bigger Wisconsins, the updraft Zenith carburetor. I figured it'd give me better control at a constant speed. The camshaft doesn't look bad. Definitely needs to be washed real well. Here's it runs the distributor. That's it for now.